Let me take you back to 1922 at the University of Toronto, where Frederick Banting, John McLeod, Charles Best and James Collett found insulin. So why is this date important? And what is insulin? First, let's explain what insulin is. It's a hormone that the body produces to stop the blood sugar from raising by helping us store glucose in our cells. Diabetics like myself can't produce insulin, which means that our blood sugar would be up and down, which is really bad for our health. So we have to inject it instead to keep our blood sugars within a normal range. The insulin we used to inject originally came from pigs. Yes, that's right, pigs. Now most insulins are made man-made. Even the insulin I use is man-made. So currently I use two injections. One is a short-acting insulin that I take every time I eat. The other injection is my long-lasting insulin. That works throughout the day to keep my blood sugars steady. To help me manage injecting my insulin, there's some external factors I need to look at. Let's first look at my short-acting insulin and see what I need to consider before doing it. So one of the things I need to look at is what is my blood sugar before I eat, then the amount of carbohydrates I'm going to eat in this meal, and whether those carbohydrates are fast-acting or slow-acting. For my long-lasting insulin, what I need to check is how have my blood sugars been throughout the day? Am I having a sick day? How many hours of sleep did I get the night before? Then there are some factors that can have effects on my short acting and long acting, so we're going to put this together. So exercise is one of the issues, and junk food can be one of the other issues as well. When looking at all these variables, it can make my calculations on doing my insulin way easier, and this will help keep my blood sugars normal. So why is insulin so important? Well, the fact is there's nearly 422 million diabetics in the world, and 8% of those are type 1 diabetics, which is nearly 34 million people are injecting insulin. Remember at the start of the video I asked you why the year 1922 was so important? Well, before then, type 1 diabetes had a 100% death rate. This non-curable disease was murdering millions. Type 1 diabetics like myself are so fortunate now that all we need to do is make sure we're doing our injections and looking after ourselves. Thanks for the 4 gentlemen that I introduced at the start of the video. People like me and millions of diabetics before and after my lifetime will have a chance to live a normal life. For any type 1 diabetics out there that are watching this video, please remember to do your injections. Thank you for watching.